everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Cello. Welcome. So today's look is inspired by Maddie Perez character in Euphoria. I think the actress's name is like Alex something. I don't know. I'm gonna insert a picture of her over here. Yeah, that's her. I'm literally obsessed. I'm obsessed with the show in general. I hate that it was only 8 episodes long for the first season, but you know, you gotta keep the viewers wanting to come back, and I'm definitely one of those viewers. So yeah, so today's look, like I said, is inspired by her. I don't know if I'm going to replicate it exactly, but it's gonna be pretty close as I can get to it. When it comes to Maddie's base, it looks really natural, and honestly your girl don't believe in a natural base, but I'll try. So with that being said, I am going to use my Fenty primer. So unlike Maddie, I don't have the perfect skin. So I have to color correct my dark spots a little bit, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange to do so. Just hitting the major areas. Now that that is done, I am going in with foundation. The foundation I'm going to use, I hope it works. It's a oldie but goodie. It's my Mary Kay's Time Wise Matte Wear Liquid Foundation. So far, it doesn't look too bad. I just hope it doesn't oxidize. Okay, now that I'm set, I am going to contour a little bit. I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder in Cocoa. Now that I'm contoured and everything, before I move on to eyebrows and my eyes, I'm going to set my face using my MAC Fix Plus. Okay, I'm going off camera to do my brows. Y'all already know, if you are a returning subscriber or returning viewer, you already know what I'm finna use for my brows. But if you're new, I'm going to be using my Anastasia dipbrow in Ebony. BRB. Okay, eye is back. Obviously, the brows are on. How they looking? They looking all right. They looking pretty decent. Yeah. I have went through like 5 different blues, 4 or 5 different blues, as you can see on my hand, trying to figure out exactly which shade of blue I want to use for this look. Like, it's a simple monochromatic look, which is like a lot of looks I've noticed on Euphoria is like 2 colors, 1 shimmer, 1 matte, or it's just shimmery metallic, and they just blow it out and put with like rhinestones or like something shiny on it, and it's just so cool. It's like, for some reason, Euphoria's makeup reminds me of 2000s makeup, but revamped. Like, it looks cool. It looks what it's like. It looks like what it.
Glad you could you want you.
Like I said, it looks like 2000s makeup, but better, like what it was supposed to be. But no one really had the creative mind enough to like really do it. But now they're doing it, and it looks dope as fudge. So yeah, I think the color I am going to choose on my hand is this one. This one right here is calling my name. Yeah, it's calling my name the most. And it's actually from Bretman's collection with Colourpop, the wet one. It is LOL, I'm crying. So LOL, I'm crying. Mer. And I think I'm just gonna really pack that on the lid with my finger, then blend it out with a brush. And I know the look that I got this from, like the original look, is very baby blue, which I could have used I'm Chillin'. It's a baby blue, matte baby blue, blown out. And it didn't have any like special detailing to it, but it's inspired. Like I said, this look is inspired from Maddie from Euphoria. So yeah, that part. So now that I placed this color all over the lid, I'm just gonna smoke it out on my lower lash line as well. Okay. Now for some extra pizzazz, I'm going to add some, I guess, some stones. And I have some pearls. I'm just gonna break them and stick them down using lash glue. This is like my first time doing something like this, so I really hope this turns out well and it looks really dope. So fingers crossed. Okay, now I'm gonna add some liner and I'll be right back. So I ended up taking off the dots and I think I just want to put it down below here. Like, I have a better idea of like what I want to do with it versus what I was about to do. So yeah, I am going to execute that plan accordingly. Okay, this is the finished eye with the jewels. Wow, this, I feel like I'm going to a rave. And now I'm about to do the other eye off camera, and then when I come back, we're gonna do like highlighting and lip color and all that good juice. Wow, y'all, this looks, I don't care what no one's got to say. This looks fire. This is mad different. Like, I feel like I'm going to a rave. Wow. Okay, this is the finished look. I feel like I'm going, well, the finished eye look. Now we're gonna move on to like highlighting and our lip color and so forth. For highlighter, I'm using my Artist Couture Glow Powder in the color Conceited. Now that my glow is done, I'm gonna put on some mascara And today I'm going in with my Covergirl Solash Blast Pro mascara. This one. I'm just gonna use a little bit just to blend my lashes in with these falsies. And now it's time for lips. Okay, I'm going to line my lips with my BFF3 Lippie Liner by Colourpop. And then taking a lip brush, I'm going to be putting on Lolita by Kat Von D lipstick in the center. To make it a little bit lighter, I'm going in with my Ultra Satin Lip by Colourpop in the color She Cute. I'm just going to dab a little in the middle. It wouldn't be a Maddie Perez look without any gloss. So, I'm going in with my NYC Roll-On Lip Gloss. You know, got it from the beauty supply store. Works just as fine. And there we go. This is the finished look. Let me attempt to do something with my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. I just put my hair into a bun or whatever. Yeah, that part. So, how we feeling? What do we think about this Maddie Perez Euphoria inspired look? I know this isn't exactly like the look she had, but it did inspire me to do this and to try something different. Like, and honestly, I really enjoy this look. Like, I feel like I'm a 2000s rave queen and I'm about to just go party all night and just have a bomb time. Like, oh my gosh, this look is amazing. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I hope to see you guys next time in my next video. Deuces.
I think I'm bad as hell. I got his shoes out of line, saying to